since the 90s. So parang 36 years na po siya sa Saudi Arabia. And he has been the leader of some Muslim communities here in Eastern Province. And I've also stayed here sa Dammam. I grew up here in Dammam. I studied here and graduated by high school also. And now I'm back again to celebrate with you, the Filipino communities, in our Independence Day celebration here at Al Wafa Hypermarket. So thank you very much for giving us a space to celebrate our heritage, our tradition, our culture, and our identity as a Filipino. Dahil naniniwala tayo, kahit magkakaiba tayo ng paniniwala, ng reliyon, ng ating kultura, iisa pa rin tayong mga Filipino. Tama po ba? Ayan. So, in behalf po of the Muslim Filipino communities of Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia, kami po ay nakikiisa sa pagdiriwang ng Kalayaan 2026 with the theme, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. So once again po, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mapya kagabirkyo langon, magsugol sa atin, and maayong gabi isa niyo talaga. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Hassan. That was truly inspiring.
Pogi pa, ayan of course. So wag na natin patagalin, let's go on! The Philpop Singers!
eternity later.
Facilitate the name of the tune. Assist them. Okay. Now, the mechanics of the game is that, can we have another microphone? Give it to them. Okay. So, we will see kung maalala pa ng mga kababayan natin ng mga kantang Pilipino. Okay? Since it is a name the tune, we are going to play our song. They're going to guess the title of the song. But I would like to request the cooperation of the audience not to... Okay. Walang lalabas dyan. Walang lalabas dyan. So, sasabihin nyo lang. So, what you're going to do, ito lang. You just step here. Okay? Just step. Just step 1 foot forward. Kung sino makauna sa harapan, that's it. Okay? Let's try to have a sample. Ready? Focus. Sige, pwede kayong tumulong sa pagbigay ng tamang sagot.
Hawakan mo ang kamay ko nang
Pwede kayong tumulong sa grupo nyo lang. Do not get the answer from the audience. It has to come from your group. Yo, go! If you know the song, step forward. Hawakan tong kamay mo. Okay, what's the answer? Check. What's the answer? Ikaw at ako. Wrong. Okay, mali. Okay. That was, excuse me, that was a trial. Okay, it's a trial. Now, this is the, excuse me, ang gagawin natin, pag alam yung sagot, kahit first 3 hit tone, punta na kagad sa laban. Stomp your feet. Okay, that's it. And that's answer right away. Okay, ang cue natin, sir.
Sana malas
mind.
Please get ready. This is Pasiklaban, okay? Pipili kami ng top 3. You will have your token and you have your plaque of appreciation. O, di ba? Masama pa ba yun? Hindi, di ba? But before we start, I'd like to get some few, interaction with you, please. Halika na. Okay. Name?
Adrian.
Height and weight?